woke up few minutes back. Huh? Time is somewhere around 11:25. Huh? Not freshen. Selling has increased. So why I said that I am not after copyright claiming, and so what was the struggle? I'll tell you what was the struggle. Uh, Copyright means you have to file a case, so that battle will run in court for years, and time will be wasted. Hearing this, and if I get the clearance, I'll work on file. I'll work on my work, the raw thing. And someone who stupid fuck who sold the raw files and made a what do you call it art material of it. That's incomplete. That's incomplete. And what money do you get after the copyright claiming? And you know what money I can make if I work on it, which is more this thing. What do you call it? Profitable. Get this very clearly. So, what is more profitable? Working on it or claiming for some copyright claim and running to court and police station for years? You have that talent, you have that thing, that's why you are not worried about anything. But if you work with someone, no one should come towards you. That was the thing. And I don't know why people are so depressed over here. They shouldn't be. I gave them the what do you call it? The permission to use because the one who did this tried to. It was a Royal Rumble. Royal Rumble. How would I make you understand? In a ring, that WWF in a arena, everyone were throwing each other out. So this was a fight creation thing, and I don't want it. I don't want this. I don't want. But the one thing is, everyone will go after the person who started this in Chembur. Everyone will go after that person. So, I'm not, look, I'm not that guy, that copyright claiming and all. I only wanted clearance, so I should move forward in my life. And people should not get depressed over here because, what do you call it? They didn't go through what I went through. They didn't go through which I went through. Hearing this, files have been viral, so that's why I have to make sure that there should be no fight. But at the same point, I have to work on this, that the one who defames me. So yesterday, that's why, day before yesterday, I pushed in a button of US Embassy, and yesterday they went there defaming me. Either they went there or either they, what do you call it, dropped it something online and did the GPS spoof thing. Okay, the GPS play. So people are not supposed to get depressed anywhere because of this situation now. Because I am giving freedom for everyone. Look, the file has gone viral. What that thing is, I don't understand. The tech thing. That's why I was running after police. Hearing this, man. So, copyright claiming, what will happen? Look, if anyone uses my art material and what do you call it, before the paperwork done, that means what I'll do? I don't think even I'll visit their office anyway. If I go there, what should I say? What will I do? What complaint? What can I do? Well, I, lot of stuff can be done, but who wants to do that? Why I go there and I say what? I have to say that you use my file, and in return, what they say? File a case, or they'll speak with you. Who wants this? Who wants this? It's better I'll move in my life and I'll consider that the art material was a damage. And those are raw files. They don't have the sequel. They lost it. And I have the frames, every frames, layout till everything. So, uh, copyright claim was never my thing, but this thing was the clearance. So I should work something. I should work on my files. I should work on my art material. And people are not supposed to get depressed over here because uh, nothing wrong happened. They didn't go through what I went through. They didn't go through that which I went through. And I am living how I am living. You see, everyone watches this, right? I was doing my job to cornering criminals everywhere, and I was getting happy in that. But over that, I still tried my best not to hurt anyone. And if any harsh words were spoken, I immediately said sorry as well. After few time, after my head gets cleared. So now my Wi-Fi is shut. So someone wanna try and copy me. Someone will try to. I don't know why it's shut. Anyways, I have to hit the roads of my. I have to go to my mother. Uh, so someone has done the Wi-Fi thing. So, someone, don't cry, okay? Don't cry. Don't get depressed. Don't anything. No. The one who from Chembur who started this, people are gonna grab their neck. अरे ये कितने लोगों के साथ मैं क्या what I am trying my best that people have seen dreams here, so no what do you call it? No, this thing should come. Bother disturbance in work, in their work. बाकी दूसरा मेरा कुछ नहीं है किसी के साथ. I don't want to break anyone's dreams. So no one is supposed to cry, no one is supposed to what do you call it, get depressed. So he still didn't get it. So I played 3 Rockies in my life. The scam catch was the 4th one. So my 3 Rockies were the one from the street, one from the affair, and third one was from the What's Up with Dave. And this was the 4th version in the scam catch. So now I have to go back to my third version of Rocky when I'll start working. That's the life I live. So you guys have. There is nothing to be depressed. There is nothing to get sad for. Losses are mine. Why would I go for that copy? Why? What else say there? What else speak there? I'll feel very bad that if I'll go there and I'll say that you use my file. That means it shows like I'm asking for something. It will show this way. I was never asking for anything. I was just telling people not to bother me.